Hello viewers, here is a Holmes clip fan. This is model, oh it's so hard to see it, HACF7. And it has a UL sticker in there, but it doesn't appear to have a date code. So I'm really not sure when this was manufactured. And this lighting is just not working out. It's made in China. 0.35 amps, 60 hertz, 120 volts, E90368, whatever that is. This looks like something that would have come out of like the late 90s, or perhaps the early 2000s. It's got that older, wider blade, and a really interesting tilt mechanism here. Hook on the clip for wall mount. It's a nice clip, really nice clip. This is all rubber here, and it's still soft and it's got a lot of good grip to it. So it seems like a well-made fan. Nice switch. I'm not sure what that is down there. Perhaps this could have been used as a desk fan as well, with a table mount. Got a good range of adjustment. That adjusts really nicely, probably infinitely. Yep, that's infinite, and then this is pretty much as far as it's physically capable of going. Well, let's plug this in here. It's got a polarized plug, no fuse, so I guess it can't be that recent. Started off on low. That's moving good here. This has definitely got to be at least early 2000s or older. It does seem like it's significantly out of balance though. It's shaking or vibrating pretty good. It's throwing out a pretty good breeze. That's not disappointing airflow at all. High. Not too much of a difference. But that's definitely throwing out some good air. I'm standing about 4 feet back and I can still feel it. It's a pretty powerful fan. Not bad. Alright, let's switch it off. And the spin down is actually still decent. Probably wasn't used very much. Looks like it wasn't used really much at all. There's really no dust whatsoever on the blades. And inside the motor, you probably won't be able to see it on the camera, but inside the motor looks perfectly clean. I wonder if this thing was never used. I think that is a strong possibility. Huh. Well, that's pretty cool.